Every admin knows this one question can derail their entire day. What does this user actually have access to? Microsoft is about to make that question a lot easier to answer. Microsoft is introducing a site permissions report for users, or a new permission state report. It's a unified way to see every site a user can access, either directly or indirectly. Being able to see the name and URL of the site with insight into the number of files a user has access to immediately helps with scenarios like Copilot per user enablement to see and assess the content risks. What are those sites that we need to address? It allows you to understand whether the access is through indirect or direct means, is it through site sharing or something else. It enriches existing snapshots like the permissions across your organizations to give you a per user view that complements it. IT admins should not just think about this report, but think of it as a visibility tool, one that is extremely helpful in reducing manual investigation headaches and answering access questions faster. It assists with understanding the implications for, say, migrations. What does this set of users who are switching from tenants in an M&A have access to? Are they missing any sites and spaces that should be included in our plan? It helps with remediation when access levels don't match business roles. So why does this user or set of users have access to these files and these sites? That might trigger a site access review or attestation or something else for those targeted sites. It supports Copilot per user enablement because then you can assess the content risk associated with a specific set of users. In the future, just like data access governance reports and how they enrich the SharePoint admin agent for content governance, these will actually give you ways to find relevant signals and data. So if you're trying to address oversharing, instead of only reviewing everyone except external users, privacy, and shared link insights across departmental sites, you could overlay that with understanding of what are the users of those departments and what access do they have across other environments. This means that departmental oversharing remediation might be viable. So when you hear site permissions for users, think less about another report and think more about a per user visibility layer that makes governance and Copilot readiness and migrations and much more that much easier to reason about.